Mastery learning is an educational approach where students must achieve a high level of understanding in a given topic before moving on to the next. This method ensures that students grasp foundational concepts thoroughly, which supports their future learning. The concept was devised by educational psychologist Benjamin Bloom. Bloom believed that with the right support, most students could reach a high level of achievement. His theories challenged the traditional view that students' abilities were fixed and that only a few could excel. Key features. First, clear learning objectives are essential. Teachers must define what students need to know and be able to do at the end of each unit. These objectives guide both instruction and assessment, ensuring that everyone understands the goals. Second, formative assessments play a crucial role. These are low-stakes tests given throughout the learning process to gauge students' understanding. Teachers use the results to identify areas where students need more help and to adjust instruction accordingly. Third, corrective instruction is implemented when students do not achieve mastery. This involves providing additional teaching, practice, and support until students understand the material. Only then do they retake the assessments to demonstrate their improved understanding. Example, imagine a high school math teacher who uses mastery learning in his algebra class. He sets a standard that students must score at least 85% on each exam to move forward. One student scores 70% on her first algebra test. Instead of letting her proceed to the next unit, Mr. Smith provides extra tutoring sessions, assigns additional practice problems, and offers one-on-one help during lunch. After a week of this focused support, Emily retakes the test and scores 90%. Having achieved mastery, she can now progress to the next topic with confidence. Strengths. One strength of mastery learning is that it promotes deeper understanding. Students don't just memorize facts, but genuinely grasp the material, which aids in long-term retention and application. By mastering foundational concepts, they are better prepared for more complex topics. Another strength is that it builds student confidence. When students know they can master each step, they are more likely to feel capable and motivated. This positive reinforcement encourages a growth mindset where they believe their abilities can improve with effort and persistence. However, mastery learning has limitations. First, it can be time-consuming. Since some students may require more time to achieve mastery, it can slow down the overall pace of the class. This may be challenging in a traditional school setting with strict curriculum timelines. Second, it requires significant teacher effort. Teachers must create multiple versions of assessments, provide ongoing individualized support, and continuously adjust their instruction. This can be demanding and may not be feasible in classrooms with high student-to-teacher ratios or limited resources. If you're a university student, I recommend reading the article I've left in the pinned comment, which could help you with your studies, or writing an essay on this topic. You might also want to check out the videos on screen now that explore related concepts in education.